Welcome back guys. Is it a good time to buy gold? Let's start with the weekly chart. Also, I don't want to waste your time, so I have put the chapters in the description so that you can skip to your favorite part. So guys, as you can see, I had put this green box which was a very strong buying range, and currently we have broken this box to the downside, but look at this, price is making a lower low and RSI is making a higher low, so we are getting a bullish divergence on the weekly chart. Important thing to note is gold price of 1665 was last time in April 2020, so it's been more than 2 years since we saw this price. But a very interesting thing is, look at this, it always tries to create a double bottom over here. Look at this one, double bottom over here, and we are trying to do the same thing now. So let's see if we are able to find support in this region or not. Guys, look at this also, RSI below 35 is actually one of the regions where price likes to bounce from. Look at this bounce and look at this bounce. Again, we are testing the same area in terms of RSI, so maybe there is some chance of a bounce. On the opposite side, we cannot ignore the fact that market is trying to price in a 75 or 100 basis point increase in the interest rates. If the US Fed does that, the next important area can be 1600 over here. Why? Because look at all the action that took around this price before, and finally we bounced from here and started this bull run on gold. Let's take a further look into the daily chart. Once again, I am seeing the same thing, price is making higher low, but RSI is on a higher high side, giving us bullish divergence. Look at this one also. So yeah, this can be a plus point for gold. Also, current RSI is sitting at 32. Whenever RSI goes below 30, that is the time to enter the market. Look at this one over here, and over here also we saw a bounce in price from these regions. So maybe little bit more to go towards the downside because of the US Fed interest rate decision that everyone is concerned about. Quickly heading over to the 4-hour chart, we can see that this bearish flag pattern was forming on gold and we broke down from here and now continuing downwards. But once again, look at RSI sitting at 23 on the 4-hour chart, and this has been an area of interest. Look at the past over here, we saw some bounce over here. So yeah, some factors are telling us that maybe the selling pressure is done, the selling is done now, and we might see a reversal that will start on gold. Of course, if we see a good reversal, we can go till 1700 mark as the first target. Once again, as you can see guys, market is extremely volatile, so if you're actively trading into the markets, please don't forget proper risk management, take profit, stop loss. And if you like this content, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.